these times. You can't even talk. Can't even talk. Hi. Who are you? What's your name? Come here, don't go. Hi, what's your name? What's this? Oh, tell me your name. Corona? That's a nice name. My name is Samantha. Do you have a last name? What's your last name? Virus? That's so cool. My last name is... I don't remember my last name. Can I have your last name? Where are you from? You don't look like a Chinese. But why are you here? Indeed, my friend. Yeah, I got a friend. 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 Friend. Why are you so far away? Come closer. I'm sure. Why wouldn't you want to come close? It's okay. Maybe tomorrow you'll be more friendly. Do you want to play a game? Okay. Let's play I Spy. I spy with my little eye something that is green. It's not there. Not there. It's here. Samantha? Yes, mommy? Come for dinner, darling. My mommy calling me for dinner. You want to come? Can't catch me, can't catch me, can't catch me, can't catch me, can't catch me. Watch the damn picnic with me. Samantha, come! I don't know like you have no sense.